Hi, my name is Cody Holmes, and I will be discussing my final fifth new technology. I will be discussing Padlet, which is a great collaborative tool for students to use. So, the purpose and objective of Padlet is to communicate easily and to collaborate and share ideas very easily. So the targeted audience would be students, although the teacher would set up the Padlet for the students to be able to collaborate upon. A couple of standards that went with Padlet. I wanted to not only include one that talked about students using digital tools to connect and collaborate with each other, but I also wanted to include a standard that talked about students being good digital citizens, making sure when they collaborate they are positive and safe. And I think that would be a great talking point before using this technology. So I will give you a few moments to look over the standard S.2b and the standard S.7a. Alright, I'm now going to show you what the Padlet website looks like and how to use it. So here's what the teacher side would look like, and I'm going to go ahead and go to Make a Padlet. There are a few different options here. I'm going to go ahead and just choose the wall, which is the most popular. Go to Select, and it's going to come up with kind of a random background and a random title and description. You can change that. I'm going to pretend that my fourth grade class is studying presidents. I'm just going to leave the description. You also have the option to change the wallpaper. There are many options. I'm just going to go ahead and go with this one. You could change the font style if you'd like. You could add any type of icon emoji to go with what you're doing. For older grades or younger grades, there's even a profanity filter if you felt that you needed to use that. I'm going to go to Next. There are a few different ways of how to get students onto the Padlet or how to give them access. You can go ahead and just add in their emails and they will be able to access this. You could go ahead and just make this public and they would be able to search for it. Or you could make it secret or password protected, where you could either give a password for this one or for the secret, show them the link or the QR code and they would be able to get on. I'm going to pretend like I already just entered all of their emails. So it says we're ready to start posting. I'm going to pretend I'm one of the students and I'm going to show you how I can collaborate onto this Padlet wall. I'm going to click somewhere and it pops up like a little sticky note. And it says title, write something, and you have some options here where you can add links, you can take a picture or video of yourself, you can search. I'm going to pretend like I have to study Abraham Lincoln. I'm going to put my name next to it so I know whose is whose. I might put a little description. And now I even want to add a picture to go along with who I'm posting about. So I'm going to pretend like I was researching Abraham Lincoln on this site. Here's a picture. I'm just going to right-click and view the image. And then I'm going to click up here, get this link, and copy, and go back, go to this link, paste the URL, save, and there's my picture. I can look at it closer, go back, and there we go. If I was another student, I might say I'm studying George Washington. And maybe my name is Sally. so I could continue to write whatever I'd like. And by the end, this would be filled up with all your different students, and I would have this projected onto the smart board so all can see, and it's in live time, and it is a great collaborative tool. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.